Welcome to Trade Pro. Here's an update video on the daily time frame trading challenge with the $10,000 paper trading account using a simple strategy with the Fu Manchu Cipher B plus divergences indicator on TradingView. So it's going well so far. There are a bunch of entries. There's actually been a winner and a loss. So the account is up. It is in the positive. And we'll take a look at that winning trade and also that loss, and then we'll go through all the current open positions. So the winner and the losing trade was also on Bitcoin. They both occurred on Bitcoin. So there's a long entry right in this area from this cross up on the blue waves. Money flow was in the green, and the stochastic K, this purple line, was going below the 10 level. So valid entry for a long position right here on this candle. And it did get stopped out. It actually just barely got ticked out at the bottom here. But it was okay because there was another valid long entry right in this area. So on this candle, there was another valid long entry. So I took the long position on that one after getting stopped out on that first long entry. And that one actually just hit the profit target on this green candle here yesterday. So that's one win and one loss, meaning, using a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, the account is now in profit. Even after paying the fees on all of these entries, because I am running fees. So if we look at the history and the account history here, we can see that there are all these small losses, and that is just the fees that were paid for entering these positions, okay? And then you can see the winner here, plus $393, and then the loss, minus $202, all right? So that was the winner and the losing trade. And now we'll just go through all of the current open positions so you guys can see how the account is doing. At the moment, you can see the account equity is at 10,755. So the account is up by a large amount right now if I were to close out of all the current open positions. But not going to do that because I'm just going to let them play out and do their thing as the strategy rules permit. So let's start out with the top one here, euro against the Australian dollar. Not going so well with this one. Looks like it may get stopped out. We'll see what happens. Then this one here hasn't quite reached the 1x risk profit target or the place where I moved the stop loss to break even. So we'll see how this one goes, but currently in profit on that one. And then Euro CAD, this one steamrolling ahead towards that 1x risk target where the stop loss will be moved to break even. So this one's looking good. And then this one up by $321 right now, getting close to the profit target, the 2x risk profit target. And of course, the stop loss was moved to break even at 1x risk right around this area. Let's go down again here towards Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. This one also getting close to that profit target, shorted right up top here. The setup was very valid. We have the stochastic K went above the 90 line. We have red money flow. We got that cross down on the blue waves from above the 0 line. So good entry here. Price below the 200 daily moving average. And of course, stop loss, I break even on that one. So this one and that last one are the big profiters at this very moment. So it'd be nice if both those profit targets are hit, but I'm not going to lock in profits early. The stops are at break even. There's no risk on the table there. So we'll just let them do their thing. US dollar, Canadian dollar. So this one, it's just kind of fluctuating sideways here. Not looking too good here, coming back down below the 200-day exponential moving average. So may see a stop out on this one. We'll see. Australian dollar against the US dollar. This one currently in profit by a small amount. Didn't quite make it to the stop loss to break even target, but we'll see if that one gets hit. And then Euro JPY, this one. Looks like it almost went up to that stop loss, and now it's coming back down, back below the 200-day exponential moving average. And pound Swiss franc, this one, long position, targeting up here. And, this thing's been going sideways forever, so wouldn't be surprised to see it keep going sideways for a while. Stop loss here, take profit target up here. We'll see how it plays out. And let's go here to pound Australian dollar. Got a long position here as well. And we'll see if it continues this uptrend or if it reverses. Now we got a couple interesting ones here. So Google, long position on Google, as you can see right here, currently in profit. And then we have S&P 500. So another long position, targets up here, and we'll see how these ones play out. But so far, just based on this small sample of trades, things are looking promising with this strategy. But obviously, I'm just going to keep trading this strategy for a long time. We'll see how it fares in the long term. It's a daily time frame, so of course, I'm not going to get that much action. I'll keep updating this challenge every once in a while, and sometimes I miss some of the entries. It's fine. I'm not being super on it. I'm trying to check the charts once per day just to get entries for the challenge, but not taking it too seriously, not stressing over it, and it'll be. It's fun to do this type of thing, see how the strategy performs on a daily time frame where, it only requires a, 5-10 minutes a day to scan the market for entries, and you can trade a bunch of different markets. So we'll see how this strategy performs in the long run, and it's fun to see how it does in the time being. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to give a little update on it for anyone wondering, and have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching.